Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Tori. Today we're going to take the dogs on an adventure. Right now we're going to this restaurant called Lazy Dog, and it's a dog friendly restaurant. So let's go check it out. And here is the patio. We're at this super cool dog park near Balboa Park. It's super open. So right now we're taking the dogs to Balboa Park.
Copper.
Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this raw footage of me and Copper exploring a little bit of Balboa Park. I'm still learning how to control the camera and Copper simultaneously, so bear with me. If you have any suggestions of any dog-friendly places that you've been wanting to take your dog that you're curious about, let me know in the comments below, because me and Copper are always looking for dog-friendly places around San Diego or even Southern California to explore. We plan to go back to Balboa Park and explore even more because there's so much that we didn't even cover and I didn't even show you in the video. So yeah, we're looking forward to that and just going to all the different dog-friendly restaurants and everything around San Diego. If you like this video, please like this video and subscribe to my channel if you want to see more fun of me and Copper going to dog-friendly places and just more dog mom material. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye!